Alhamdulillah, we're at Heathrow Airport Terminal 4, making the journey to Umrah. And this is where it starts in terms of taking off, inshallah. Step-by-step guide. Heathrow, London to Madinah Makkah Umrah guide. If you're at the airport, you can come and get some self-service wheelchairs. So anyone needs a wheelchair, come on over to wheelchair assistance. Pick up a wheelchair yourself, self-service, just plug it out there.
Assalamu alaikum. Some people already went to sleep, mashallah. Allahu Akbar. Jazakallahu khairan for your patience. We always plan, but the plan of Allah will come and happen. I think it's my fault yesterday when I was putting the message, I didn't include inshallah. I was maybe not in my mind or arrogant, but you see, everything happens with the will of Allah. And I said, we're going to leave 2 p.m. sharp. Not inshallah, no nothing. So, alhamdulillah, I was a bit tested. And you bared with me, mashallah. May Allah reward you all. Mashallah, may Allah reward you all. Our journey has started. This is a journey where we will be tested with patience, with all the things. You are going to Makkah. Sheikh will take over the mic very soon. He will give you the all inspirational talk and hikmah and knowledge. I'm just a humble man with not much to say, but jazakallahu khair. I just wanted to thank you all, and may this be a journey of acceptance, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum. Reach the entrance, I will give you location to come back to. I give you time to come back to. Is this clear, or my English is not that clear? It has a bit of Somali. No, clear, yes? You follow me? I will tell you where to meet back, at what time. We have maximum 30 minutes, maximum. That means if you don't have your wudu, you can make wudu, pray 2 rak'at, come back to the allocated place. Okay? Huh? Bas. What is the name? In a pit stop to refuel, to pray Maghrib and Isha. So when we go and get to Makkah, we are ready. No ifs and buts, no shortcuts, inshallah, ready to the mission. We go and perform our Umrah, inshallah. We are just about 10 minutes away from the stop now. So open your eyes, wake yourself up. You can get something to eat here. Plenty of restaurants. Don't use the boycotts one. Yeah, inshallah. Bismillah ta'ala. So ready to go, inshallah.
لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. So if you want to get your hair cut, you come to number 9. Come to guest service. And here is the barber shops for free, where everyone get their hair cut for free. This is the pilgrim's entrance, as you see, and they do this haircutting ceremony. Cut your hair up nice and good, free. This is the queue. Everyone's queuing to go here. It's a free service to get your hair cut. After you finish your Umrah, Sa'i, Safa Marwa, you exit there, come down the stairs, come here, and then go over here and get your free haircut. see, it's completely free. Let me show you this. So you don't know, the service is free for the Hajj.
Kalau di kaki nangis.